Mommy,
Where are we going?
to the park. We're going to the park.
It doesn't look like there's sun outside.
Don't worry.
It's not too sunny.
Don't worry.
Yeah, see, the truck is still there. Is this the way to the park?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
That used to be our house right there.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Ouch. So many toys outside. See, look at the sky. It's too dark. I think it's gonna rain. Yeah? Maybe we should just go home. No, no, no. Why? Oh, what if it rains? What are we gonna do?
It's not going, Mommy.
How do you know?
It's not going, Mommy.
How do you know? Can you blow bubbles?
Only one.
I don't think it's a nice day today. Because it's so windy. The bubble's not working. There you go. Oh, you did it? Oh, it's so windy, Liam. I want to go home. Why?
Mommy, leave it here.
Why? Okay, so you can play. Can I close the... Can I put the lid back?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds like a duck. How about... I want to go on the swing. It wasn't recording. You can also lay down.
Mommy, stop pushing. Stop it.
Okay.
I want to get off.
Okay. Do you want to go on this one? Careful. I thought you were going on the slide. Good job, Liam. I have it. I don't like walking on the sand. I'm gonna get sands on my eyebrows. Why? That's funny.
What is?
The way you come down. Why?
I need to pee.
Can you count the numbers, Liam? Yeah.
What?
Liam and I used to live in this building 2 years ago.
2 hours.
No, 2 years. Do you know where you are?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. What?
You're funny. You sound like a pig.
Stop that!
Why do you have your eyes closed?
What?